Yeah, a lot of you asked questions on YouTube. Oh, there are a lot of questions. इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले जीपीएस कैसे कैलकुलेट करें? Calculate it with the Scholaro, please. Is it true Korean government check your bank account balance? Is it mandatory to be 8 to 10 lakh rupees? No, they do not check your account balance. Maybe while you are applying for the visa, Mumbai consulate asks for your bank balance, but they know that you are not from a well-off family. That is why you are applying for the scholarship. So it doesn't matter if you don't have 8 or 10 lakh rupees. So thank you for giving all the information. Can we apply for both embassy track and university track together? No, you cannot. I am from Punjab. Is my Aadhaar card. In my Aadhaar card there is 2 languages, English and Punjabi. Do I still need to translate that? If your document has English written in it, then you do not need to translate it. Just notarize it if you are going to submit to the embassy. Apostille if you are going to submit it to the university. Apostille or consular authenticated. You are so lucky that you selected in GK. BB forever Blink and Army. Hi fellow Blink and Army. I love Blackpink, but I'm an ARMY. I love BTS. I love Lisa. Actually, I love them all. I don't know why people hate on K-pop idols. I love them all. I don't know if I hate anyone. I love Jessie. And who all I love? I love Mamamoo. Okay, we are going off the topic. So, सिर्फ अगर पासपोर्ट देना है तो क्या उसका फ़ोटो प्रिंट निकाल के देना होगा या ओरिजिनल पासपोर्ट? देखो, मैं फिर से कह रही हूँ, एंड आई थिंक एवरी अदर पर्सन has stated the same thing again and again. Do not submit anything original. You will not get them back ever. It's gone to the NID or it's gone to the dustbin. You are not going to get anything back to you. Passport का photo print चलेगा. It doesn't needs to get notarized. Maybe you need to apostille it. First confirm with the university. I'm not sure about the university requirements. You need to check the university requirements by either going through the university information file or contact the university privately. Is passport compulsory for applicants as IID proof, or can we give Aadhaar card? If you are selected, then you have to have passport to go to another country. So passport is compulsory and it is not. It's the both situation. अगर आप अभी आधार कार्ड सबमिट कर दो एंड अगर आप पास हो जाते हो तो आप पासपोर्ट के लिए अप्लाई कर दो. पासपोर्ट कितने दिन में बनता है वो आप अपने पासपोर्ट ऑफिस पे जाके चेक करो. आई एम नॉट श्योर. मैंने बहुत साल पहले बनवाया था जब मैं 10th क्लास में थी. दीदी मैंने अभी नीट क्रैक किया है तो मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ. क्या कोरियन गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करेगी MBBS करने के लिए साउथ कोरिया में? बेटा मुझे सही में नहीं पता. आप ना यूनिवर्सिटी इंफॉर्मेशन फाइल पे जाओ, सेलेक्ट चेक करो कि कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी एक्चुअली विच यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफर्स द कोर्सेज इन मेडिकल फील्ड. देन कॉन्टैक्ट द प्रिफर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी वाया ईमेल और वाया फोन कॉल एंड चेक विद देम प्लीज. आई डू नॉट नो अबाउट MBBS. Please recommend some ways to learn Korean in our home country, in our own state, without going to Delhi or any other state. Okay, if you want to learn Korean, I will link that in the description box below. There are also a lot of online courses you can find online. There is Duolingo app, there is King Sojong online classes, those are free. Then the YouTube you can find a lot of videos on which they are teaching you Korean for free. Start by learning Hangul, consonants and vowels, and then maybe you can go step by step. You will find a lot of videos on YouTube. And if you want to learn offline, then in Pune and in Delhi there are offline courses, but I don't think in COVID they are going to teach offline. दी क्या 2+2 के बाद भी स्कॉलरशिप मिल सकता है? 12th के बाद की स्कॉलरशिप है ये. अंडर ग्रेजुएट मतलब 12th के बाद बैचलर्स. सो इसमें आप अप्लाई करो अगर आप पास हो जाते हो 28 फरवरी के पहले, अगर आपके पास ग्रेजुएशन का सर्टिफिकेट है तो. कैन आई अप्लाई फॉर मोर देन वन स्कॉलरशिप एंड व्हाट इफ आई अप्लाई फॉर अ स्कॉलरशिप आफ्टर टेकिंग 1 year ऑफ गैप? डू दे एक्सेप्ट कैंडिडेट्स? यू कैन फॉर श्योर अप्लाई फॉर मोर देन वन स्कॉलरशिप. जस्ट डोंट टेल in your scholarship that you have applied for more than one, and explain the year gap that you have took. Explain in your personal statement why did you took that year gap. क्या बात सच है कि MBBS नहीं हो सकती? मुझे नहीं पता मेडिसिन के बारे में ज़्यादा। आप यूनिवर्सिटी इंफॉर्मेशन फाइल में चेक करो बच्चों, मुझे सही में MBBS के बारे में नहीं पता, तो मैं आपको कुछ गलत भी नहीं बताना चाहती। रियली डोंट वांट टू इन्फॉर्म यू एनीथिंग दैट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट माई सेल्फ। सो तो आप यूनिवर्सिटी से कॉन्टैक्ट करो प्राइवेटली। So you applied through embassy track or university track, and also this was your first attempt or you have tried before? So I applied through university track and this was my first attempt. Can I go for GP? Can I got GKS without topic level? Please reply. Yes. I didn't have topic. I didn't have IELTS. I didn't have TOEFL. I didn't have English certificates or Korean certificates. So I got the scholarship. You can get the scholarship as well if your profile is good enough. SOP and study plans want Xerox 3 copies. Okay, a lot of you are confused about this. So if you are going to apply through university track, one application form fully filled and documents in a single envelope. If you are going to apply through embassy track, one application form, two application, 3, 4. These 3 application form goes to the 3 universities that you have selected. One application form goes to the embassy. So 4 application form, all filled in a single envelope. Okay. Can we do professional artistic studies like fashion designing under KJSP? Yes, if it is available in university field of study information file, you can apply for whichever course is there. Hey, I want to ask about certificates, like we have to certificates from childhood or the recent one, please. If you are a high schooler, then apply from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, or after 8th. If you have done something big in 8th or 9th, apply that, or otherwise 10th, 11th, 12th. I had one question. My second year graduation from Delhi University, so can I apply for undergraduate? If you are already in your bachelor's degree, then you cannot apply for bachelor's degree. Maybe consider applying for master's degree next years. Or if you still want to go for bachelor's degree, the chances are slim that you will get the degree, you will get the scholarship, because there are only 6 seats. You have to explain your gap year in your application. After 12th, you are already in second year, right? So 2 years of gap you have to explain, and again you have to have the best profile among the rest of the students who have applied. So it's already stated that you cannot apply if you're in a bachelor's degree, and all your money will be wasted that you have filled the fees for 2 years. So maybe apply for masters. How many recommendation do I have to give? I heard 2 people have to write, so I will photocopy the 2 letters of recommendation of the embassy will do. No, not 2 recommendation letter for undergraduate. New guidelines have come. 1 letter of recommendation is enough. I have already informed how you want the recommendation letter to be previously. Can my tuition teacher write my letter of recommendation? No. Someone who has taught you officially, किसी ने जिन्होंने आपको आपको स्कूल या कॉलेज में पढ़ाया हो, वही आपका रिकमेंडेशन लिख सकते हैं. प्लीज़ ट्यूशन टीचर प्राइवेट टीचर से मत लो. चूज करें तो क्या हमें डायरेक्ट एम्बेसी खुद जाके करवाना है, या हम पोस्ट ऑफिस से जाके भेज सकते हैं, और एम्बेसी वो हो गई तो कोरिया की हमारी कंट्री में? प्लीज़ बता दे. क्या है ये क्वेश्चन? एम्बेसी ट्रैक इफ आप चूज करते हो तो आप पोस्ट कर सकते हो एम्बेसी का एड्रेस. मैं नीचे लिख दूंगी एम्बेसी का एड्रेस जिस पे आपको भेजना है, और आप पोस्ट कर दो. आपका एप्लीकेशन 8 अक्टूबर से पहले चला जाना चाहिए, और हमारे यहाँ कंट्री में एम्बेसी दिल्ली में है. So we need only 1 letter of recommendation if you are applying through university track. Yes, we only need 1 recommendation letter now according to the new guidelines. Please read the guidelines 10 times, 20 times, 20 times again and again. Half of the doubts will get cleared there. How do we mail our application to NIT? Do not mail your application. आप कनक ने अप्लाई नहीं किया ऐसा हो जाएगा वो. Do not email. Only hard copies they accept for university track and embassy track that you can post. Talk in loud voice, please. I'm sorry, but this is how my voice is. I tried using earphones today. Can we apply after 12th class, or do we have to go to college too? You can apply to 12 after 12th class if you have your degree transcripts before 20th of February, if you get them. Otherwise, wait for next year for bachelor's. And otherwise, if you cannot get your admission in bachelor's, apply for master's. Can I get scholarship after diploma? Diploma is considered as associate degree. I think so. Apply. Hey, so this video really helped, but one thing is that could you please share any info about studying in Korea after 10th? After 10th, you can go for 11th, 12th. If you are going, it's going to cost a lot. If you are from a family with a good background, if you are from a well-off family, and if you can sponsor your studies, then you can opt for 10th or 12th here in Korea, but then you have to bear your expenses yourself. And if you have studied 11th, 12th in Korea, then you cannot apply for scholarship. Disclaimer. Do we need to attach photocopy along with the original certificate for embassy track? No. Notarized copy. If you are embassy track, notarized copies are enough. Do not attach more photocopies. It will only increase the weight of your package, application package, and you will have to pay more if you are going to post it. So it will be application form, one set of certificates, then same 3 application forms, 3 set of certificates for embassy track. And these certificates and envelope with recommendation can be closed in the same cover. Okay, you can do one thing, unclose original, the one that is going to the embassy in single envelope, and 3 photocopy application in another envelope, and 3 in one envelope, 1 in one envelope, and then 2 envelopes, and close them in a big envelope or box. So, and write on the top of the envelope, and for embassy for university 1, university 2, for university 3. So it would be easier for embassy people to filter out which application goes to which university. Do we need to notarize online class certificates, extracurriculars? No. Certificates do not need notarization. It's extremely hard to get 80%. So that does not mean, if your college does not give high percentage or percentile like 80%, get a certificate from your university stating that you are in the top 20% of your class. What is your major? My major is global MBA. Part time job कर सकते हैं क्या? If you have topic level 5 or 6, you will have to get permission from NIIT and your college, and you can do part-time job. Otherwise, if you do not have a topic level 5 or 6, then you cannot do part-time job. I'm going to graduate from high school in late March 2022. May I apply for the scholarship for 2022 undergraduate program? Sorry. Maybe next year you can apply. If you do not have documents before 20th of February, you cannot. I have some questions. In India, the high school's results may come. The scholarship, also if you choose, I have to wait for more, so it will take. So do I need to work without getting admission to college? I didn't understand your question, but I think you're asking, should you wait for months to apply? So I will not suggest you to not get admissions in college, because see, whatever you do, you have to explain in your application, in your personal statement, like why is this gap year in your application. And the competition is really tough. If you do not have percentile above 90-95, then it will be hard for you to explain like why did you sat for 4 or 5 months or 8 months without getting admissions to the college. They will think that you didn't get admissions to any college. So maybe get admission and apply for the next year. I think so. You can do that. Will the scholarship be able to make up for my living expenses, house rent, food, transportation? So the scholarship is enough, just enough. You will have to stay in the dorm because living outside costs a lot. it costs a lot. You will have to pay for Wi-Fi, electricity, water, and a lot of expenses. And what we get is enough. We just survive. We are just surviving. We are what the scholarship we are getting will deduct the hostel dorm fee, and the rest goes into the bus fees, like transportation, the groceries and stuff. So the scholarship is just enough to survive in Korea. And I have to study everything, my subjects in Korean instead of English. It depends on the major that you select. On the university information file, in the side it's written if the course is taught in English or in Hindi. So check it out, please. Or you can also confirm with the university once. What is the probability of getting a stable job after complete? I'm not sure. I just came to Korea. Maybe after 1 year I can say what is the probability of getting job. Interview का medium क्या होता है? Interview will be either in English or Korean. Your accent is just like my little sister. It's okay. Thank you. Actually, what happens is I am from Rajasthan. I've stayed in Pune and Bangalore, and now I'm in Korea. So my accent gets influenced by the people I'm around. Yeah, I don't know. I have kind of mixed accent. I'm sorry. Do we need to send the documents to MNC or MHRD? You need to send the documents to the embassy this time. You should check. So one thing, check it yourself. The YouTubers are there just to guide you, but it is your job, because it's your future to check if you are going to post on the right address or not. Did you give TOEFL or something? No, I didn't give TOEFL. Explain किया है. I want to do masters in chemistry, but I have 70%. 70% है तो डॉक्यूमेंट बनवा लो कि आप 20% में आते हो क्लास के. अगर कॉलेज वाले बनाते हैं तो अप्लाई कर दो. For undergraduate degree applicants, are they also supposed to submit a grade transcript? How it's that issued? Grade transcript? Ask your college or university or school to make you a transcript. They know how to make a transcript, because a lot of students go and apply for universities abroad every semester. So university and schools know what a transcript is. There's one thing I want to ask. How did you submit your applications to the Korean embassy in Delhi? Did you went there personally to submit your application form, or did you faxed or emailed it? Because for us who lives quite far from Delhi, can't go personally in this situation. Even if we go there, it will take time to go there. Nay, official. So nay, you don't need to fax, email them. They will not accept the soft copy. You can post them on the address written in the notification. I will write the address down below. And I didn't submit to the embassy. I submitted to the university directly in Korea. You can post your application via DHL. It will take 8 to 15 days, working days. Make sure your application reaches the university or embassy before the deadline. If it reaches after the deadline, they will not take it in any case. Is there a different scholarship if we have to apply for SNU? I think Army Sun, your question is particularly focused on Seoul National University. Do one thing. If you really want to go to Seoul National University with or without scholarship, email them all your questions, and they will let you know the scholarships they have, self-funded courses they have, and some of the universities, what they do is, if a student is coming on self-funding, they also give scholarship to support half of their studies. Email SNU, please. Email SNU. They will for sure reply to your queries, because your question is particularly focused on SNU. So how to send information document online or offline? Please send the documents offline. Do not send the documents online. Studying business and pay taxes in India get this scholarship. I didn't understand your question, Nilima. You are already studying business? Are you doing bachelor's or master's? If you are doing bachelor's, you can apply for master's. If you are doing master's, you can apply for doctorate, research, PhD. Will the professor have to write a recommendation letter in English? Is it necessary? Yes, it is. Did we need at least 1 lakh rupees before applying, right? Like preparing and sending all the documents. Also for the plane fare. प्लेन की स्पेलिंग गलत लिख रखी है, फेयर की भी गलत लिख रखी है. ठीक है, पैसे कहाँ का लगते हैं ये पूछ रहे हो. नोटरी, अपोस्टाइल, मेडिकल. आने की तैयारी में नए बैग खरीदना हो तुमको, अगर वीज़ा बनवाने जाओगे वहाँ. After coming here for 1 or 2 months, you will have to bear until your account is opened and you get your first scholarship. It will take 1 month. So 1 month you'll have to bring 50,000 rupees converted into Korean won. So 50,000 rupees that, and apostille will cost a lot. So it would be nearly around 1 lakh. That is after you are selected. So don't think about it now. Just think about the money that you have to spend for the application process as of now. I already told save money. Don't know if you are gonna see this or not, but if yes, then can you please pick this question. I don't have birth certificate because I was born in Nepal, and at that time the area that wasn't much developed. After that we came to India. In school we submitted temporary document issued by community Anganwadi. I belong to small class, middle class family and want to try it for GKS, KGSB at least one time so that my family can understand the value of higher education. Sorry for slowing my very normal. Oh, don't be sorry. Don't be sorry. It's okay. I am from a middle class family myself. I understand your situation. Before me and my brother got a job, we were below middle class family, but I can say that we are a middle class family now. I'm so proud. I'm so proud to be called a middle class family now. If you are from Nepal, I'm sorry. If you are from Nepal and you don't have a birth certificate, do you have driver's license? If you are from Nepal, are you going to apply from India or from Nepal? Which country are you going to apply from? India? If you are from Nepal, try to get your birth certificate. Try to make your birth certificate, no? Do you not have Aadhaar card? So if your Aadhaar card has your date of birth and place of birth, then you can submit that. Try contacting the embassy once for this question, please. I'm very not sure about this. I'm sorry. Try to contact the embassy, call them, they will answer. Or they will ask and they will tell you, they will guide you in the right direction. I seriously don't want to guide any of you in the wrong direction. I'll tell if I'm not sure about anything. I want to guide any of you into the wrong direction. I really wish you make it. If not for bachelor's, maybe next year bachelor's. If not for bachelor's, maybe for master's, maybe for PhD, maybe for research. I really want you all to make it. You don't have to be sorry for anything you do in your life. If it's good. If it's bad, you need to be sorry. Birth certificate की जगह 10th metric का admit card चलेगा क्या? No, don't submit admit cards, please. Can you explain the difference between type A and type B universities? Type A universities are the universities that are based in Seoul, or the universities that are listed in the 500 or 100 universities top in the world. And type B universities are state universities or lesser known universities in Korea. Type B is not a university which is bad, just to be sure, just so you be sure. Type B universities are state universities or universities you applied for MBA. I applied for Chonam National University in Gwangju. One question, please. During my bachelor's or master, I did job because I am the only child. My parents are not able to carry my study and other stuff. I requested my college and they gave me permission to continue my studies along with the job. I have excellence certificate from that company. Manisha Bhatt. So proud of you. It's good to support your family. If you have job, if you did job during your studies, do not mention that you skipped college. Mention in the personal statement that you studied and you did job alongside your studies and you managed both well, and attach your excellence certificate as well. and just do not mention that you skipped any of the classes. You can submit this. Proud of you. Keep supporting your family like this, Manisha. Hi, it's mentioned in the guidelines that the Central University students will be preferred. I'm pursuing BSc from the public university MGKVP, though I cleared the entrance BHU BSc but didn't attend counseling due to persons. Should I submit counseling letters? Counseling letter. Do not submit the counseling letter, please. It will not increase your chances, rather it will decrease your chances. It will make them think like you were rejected by the BHU. And yes, the Central University, Tier 1 university students are preferred by the NBC track. So in the first year of arrival, we can only take Korean classes. Yes, if you do not have topic 5 or 6, you have to take 1 year of Korean language class compulsorily. Didi, birth certificate is important. Yes, birth certificate is important. Even if it's not up for applying for scholarship, birth certificate is important in general. तो बनवा लीजिए please. Did you write something for Korean descendant war application? Oh, no. Please do not touch this topic. Korean war is really sensitive topic. Please do not say anything that you are not sure about. दी मार्कशीट हिंदी में आती है तो थोड़ी ना ट्रांसलेट करवा सकते हैं, उसकी फोटोकॉपी निकलवा कर नोटराइज. नो हिंदी में है, उसको इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करवा के नोटराइज करवाओ. स्कॉलरशिप पूरे होने में अभी आपका नोटिफिकेशन आया है 8 अक्टूबर. कितना टाइम लगता है? स्कॉलरशिप नोटिफिकेशन आया है 8 अक्टूबर है हमारा डेडलाइन. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ का डेडलाइन अलग होता है, वो आपको यूनिवर्सिटी जो सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो उसमें चेक करो. और February 28 तक चलेगा. ये हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ था फरवरी में और ये हम आए हैं 30 अगस्त में, तो इतना टाइम लगता है. I also want to do masters in Korea in broadcast production. Please tell me something about college. Please check the university information file. I am not a counseling officer. I am not sure about every subject, every major. The best thing, what you can do is contact the university directly. They will also ask you to go to the university information file, but still if you contact the universities, they will be able to help you more. एप्लीकेट प्रूफ ऑफ सिटीजनशिप के लिए क्या हमको बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट देना होगा या पासपोर्ट भी दे सकते हैं? आप फॉर श्योर पासपोर्ट दे दीजिए, पर बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट वो आपसे बाद में मांग सकते हैं, जैसे मुझसे मांगा था. मैंने बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट नहीं किया था, मुझे लगा पासपोर्ट दे रही हूँ तो ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट फिर मुझे बाद में वो देना पड़ा बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, तो उसमें मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा रुपए देने पड़े. जस्ट टू सेंड 2 डॉक्यूमेंट्स आई हैड टू पे 1900 रुपीज अगेन. एंड आई वॉज ऑल्सो टेंस्ड कि मेरा डॉक्यूमेंट टाइम पे पहुंचेगा कि नहीं पहुंचेगा कोरिया. सो प्लीज़ आप रिस्क मत लो मेरी तरह. लाइफ का सवाल है यार, एक साथ डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगा दो ना, क्यों प्रॉब्लम है. आई गॉट सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ इंटर स्कूल सिंगिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, कैन आई सबमिट इट? करो सबमिट. हाउ टू पोस्ट द एप्लीकेशन फॉर एम्बेसी ट्रैक? स्पीड पोस्ट कर दो या फिर प्राइवेट DHL से कर दो, फेडेक्स से कर दो. इनकर्जन BOB कितने सब्जेक्ट 80% होने चाहिए? 10th 11th 12th के सबके मिला के आपके 80% अबव होने चाहिए. आई होप आई आंसर्ड ऑलमोस्ट half of your questions. I really wanted to help you guys with the scholarship, or if your question is not covered in this video, please ask them in the YouTube comment section. I actually do not check my Instagram a lot because I cannot find the time to. I have classes from 9 to 1 and then I have a lot of other stuff to do here. I have studies, I have a lot of tons of homework. I have to go buy groceries. I have to find markets where I can find cheap vegetables. It's like it's really expensive here in Korea. What we get here there for 10 rupees, we get here for 100-200 rupees. So I'm trying to find a place where I can buy cheap stuff. So I just arrived to my dorm last week. It's been 1 week, I think. Yeah, last week, and I'm still settling in. I don't have time to even talk to my family. The scholarship notification got released early this week and I got a lot of messages and questions on YouTube, so I just woke up today and just thought of making this video to help you guys a little bit. I hope even if it helps, if this video helps you 5 or 10%, I think my 2-3 hours will be worth it. The scholarship process is really confusing, it's really tough, and it's really time consuming, it's emotionally stressful, it's really a lot for a person. And if you are a school student, high school student, it will be it would be stressful. So don't take stress. Scholarships will come and go. If not Korean scholarship, there are other scholarships all around the world. Just search for scholarship for Indian students, and you will get tons of scholarship on Google. You will get scholarship for Japan, China, you'll get scholarship for New Zealand, for US, for UK. There are a lot of scholarships. There's one scholarship for Turkey. Okay, don't ask me if I know about these scholarship. I'm not sure about these scholarship. You have to research about these scholarship yourself. Another thing I want to say is study the guidelines properly. Read your form properly while filling. Type the application form. Do not write anything with pen except the signature. Everything, everywhere their signature section should be signed. If you do not sign it, your application will be discarded. Everything should be ticked. If something is not ticked, it will be discarded. Your photo should be white background. If you have any other thing to say, please drop it in the comment section below. I actually do not check my phone a lot apart from YouTube these days. That also I will check. I checked in 2-3 days. So please ask here rather than anywhere else, so that it would be easier for me to sort the questions at once. And also it would be easier for the other person too. If the another person has the same question as you, they will find the answer. It's good, you are helping someone else too. So yeah, let's wrap it up here. I wish you all the best. Good luck with your application. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, and if you find it helpful, please tell around your friends that they can maybe they can subscribe too. If you have any feedback, please let me know so that I can improve. I know my English is not that good, but I try to speak in English in this whole video so that I can be more inclusive. In the last video I spoke in Hindi. My mom was like, why did you speak in Hindi in this video? You didn't even add subtitles. I was in a hurry. Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. I had to shift from hotel to dorm the next day. I'm sorry. I'll try to speak in English more. I hope you make it to the interview round, and if you do, please let me know that so we can have an interview session or maybe an interview video. And I wish you good luck in life, good luck with your life, whatever you are doing, and stay safe and wear your mask and have a good day. So yeah, that was it. Have a good day. Bye.